Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. What I wanted to do today was do a little test on the Rough Country twin tube air compressor. I've had it for, I don't know, probably a year and a half. Right after it first came out, it was no videos, no nothing, so I just took a chance and grabbed it hoping it was going to be good. And it's made it through many wheeling trips so far, and not only inflating my tires, but also inflating my buddy's that comes with me because he's too cheap to buy one. So what we'll do today is we'll be reviewing that air compressor. So there it is. I think it's on my 2006 TJ. I got it on I think it's a mountain off-road mount. It's the only one I could find for the TJ. It bolts like right above the valve cover and intake manifold. It bolts on there good. Ain't had no issues with it. I got it ran to a stainless line, braided line that runs through and actually runs through the grill. And I got it mounted right on my fair lead, so I don't actually have to pop the hood when I want to air up. I can just pop it on that quick disconnect. And then I got it hooked up to the Morrflate system, which is awesome. Like, this is a really nice system. Comes with the digital gauge, these super soft rubber high quality air lines. Then you have these quick disconnects that make hooking and unhooking so much easier. Like, it's a really quality system. Like, it's one of the best systems I think you can get for airing up and down. So what I'm going to do, we're at 8 psi, right at 8.1. I'm going to air up to 28, which is usually what I run on the street. I got a timer behind the gauge. I'm going to try to set you up on a tripod here so you can see both. And we're going to cut the Jeep on and cut the air compressor on and see how long it takes to go. All right, that should get us about right, where you can see the timer and the gauge. Now, while it's filling, the gauge is a few pounds off, so every now and then I'll have to stop it to check the pressure. But other than that, it should be good to go. The wind's kind of blowing my gauge around here, so just bear with me. But I'm gonna go ahead and start the Jeep up and crank the air compressor up. And I'll probably end up time-lapsing this so you don't have to sit here for 10 minutes or whatever, but give me 1 second. All right. Here we go. Well, there it is. In 8 minutes and 33 seconds, from 8 pounds to 27.9, which is close enough. But that's 4, 37, 1250, 17s in 8 minutes and 33 seconds. Now, I don't know what you're using to air up, but I had a nice DeWalt battery-powered air compressor before, and it would take 12 minutes to air up 137, and then usually I had to let it take a break. So the only issue I had with it was when I first bought it, the heat shield on the top of it, right there, the red part, it would rattle like crazy when it was a load under it. So I looked at it and found I could bend the tabs a little more, and it made it a little tighter. And that, ever since I did that, I have not had a single problem out of this compressor. For the price point of this compressor, it's been great. And also the Morrflate system, great as well. And the cool thing about this system is you can also, if you undo it, hard to do with one hand here, and you want to air down, you can air all 4 tires down at the same time by just letting that valve out, and it'll set all 4 tires to the same level. And while you're hanging out, drinking beer, talking to your friends, or whatever it is. But that's my review. If you enjoyed it, I'm trying to put up more Jeep videos and information, so I'm just getting started, so bear with me. I know the videos are probably horrible, but if you like the video, like and subscribe. Thanks.